Isa na namang balita, ayon sa Philstar News ngayon. Maganda ang balitang hatid ni Kim Chiu sa fans niya kahapon ng umaga. Ipinost niya sa kanyang Instagram account na siya ang tanging representative ng bansang Pilipinas sa kategoryang Outstanding Asian Star sa Seoul Drama Awards 2024. Nasa caption ni Kim, "I got the news today. I am lost for words, beyond thankful, grateful, and extremely happy. I can't believe this is happening. Thank you to Seoul Drama Awards 2024, thank you ABS-CBN at Dreamscape F, and most especially to my lovely supporters for all the unconditional love, support, time, effort, and much more. I am very lucky to have you all behind and beside me. Thank you for making this," ayon pa sa actress. Bahagi pa sa kanyang post ay, "Korea Here I Come." Dadaluhan ng kapamilya actress ang awarding nito sa September 25. Isa si Kim sa 7 aktres mula sa bansang Korea, Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore at Thailand na makipaglaban sa kategoryang ito. Ibabase ito sa global votes na makikita sa Idol Champ na app. Sabi pa sa inilabas nilang press release, Outstanding Asian Star is conducted by voting for actors who have excelled in dramas over the past year. Mabibigat ang makakalaban ni Kim pero tiyak na cocker-airy ng fans niya, pati ang Kim Pao fans ang pagboto sa kanya. Please don't forget to subscribe TNT Trends and Tour channel, click the notification bell to notify you in our next video. And please like and share and comment down below. Thank you for watching.